best-selling book series in history.
A real prize winner, Papa.
Stan and Jan Berenstain's lovable bears
Oh, they're so cute.
have been trusted by parents for decades. Papa, Mama, Brother, and Sister Bear teach simple life lessons and family values in every entertaining adventure. These cherished and ever-popular stories are now available in brand new, fun-filled, and educational volumes. So bring home the Berenstain Bears.
Can you believe it?
They're bound to be your all-new, all-time family favorite.
The Berenstain Bears. The Berenstain Bears.
On DVD and video.
When Kermit dreamed of reaching for the stars, he became a brave young frog in a brave new world.
It'll be an adventure.
But adventures make me gassy.
Columbia TriStar Home Entertainment and Jim Henson Home Entertainment present a real frog out of water story.
Am I abnormal?
You are a certifiable nutball.
Kermit Swap Years.
Don't leave me. I have abandonment issues. See ya.
Come on, tell us your song.
A magical world of adventure and discovery is now yours to own on VHS and DVD.
Come on in.
Columbia TriStar Home Entertainment has an extraordinary collection of some of the most fun-filled and educational family programs ever.
That sounds like fun.
JJ the Jet Plane, Bear in the Big Blue House, Dragon Tales, Maggie and the Ferocious Beast, and the magical adventure of imagination, Harold and the Purple Crayon. Zoom through life lessons, soar to new heights in learning, and let your imagination take flight
I like that idea.
with JJ the Jet Plane.
What a ride!
Bear in the Big Blue House, created by the Muppet Masters of the Jim Henson Company.
Hi there.
The ever-gentle Bear invites you to learn new things and sing along with his friends Tutter, Bojo, Pip and Pop, Trilo, and Luna.
On the moon. That was great.
It's the hit show Dragon Tales. From Sony Pictures Entertainment and the creators of Sesame Street. Join Emmy, Max, and their dragon friends as they explore the magical world of Dragonland. There's Cassie, Ork, Zack and Weezy, and Kettle. From award-winning Nelvana Studios, join a smart girl named Maggie, her playful pal, and the not-so-ferocious Beast. In a place called Nowhere Land, based on the beloved children's book, Maggie and the Ferocious Beast.
And it was fun.
One of the most popular children's books of all time is finally coming to life. Imagination and his purple crayon are all Harold needs to take you to brand new worlds of fantasy and make-believe. Pocket Johnson's classic, Harold and the Purple Crayon. These award-winning, educational, and fun-filled titles can be yours to watch again and again.
That was great.
Own the excitement on VHS and DVD.
See you soon.
The G makes the G sound. What animal can we name that has the It's a
How we read and write.
Alphabetical order is terrific, but I want to use the letters to make words. I know that in some countries, words are written from top to bottom. And in other countries, words are written from right to left. I have an idea. The alphabetical order goes from left to right. Let's read and write the same way. Left to right, left to right. That's the way we'll read and write. All the morning, noon, and night. That should get things working right.
What do you know? Another letter. Do you know what this letter
Did you
is?
like this movie?
It's the
Yes,
H.
thank you.
The H makes the sound. What animal can we name that has the sound? He's a horse. He's a heroic horse. He's a handsome and heroic horse. Why, thank you for the kind compliments. I'm also a high-pitched horse.
Admin issues.
Bear in the Big Blue House, created by the Muppet Masters of the Jim Henson Company.
Hi there.
The Every Gentle Bear invites you to learn new things and sing along with his friends Tutter,
Look at me!
Ojo,
Me too!
Pip and Pop,
We're two rockin' hunters.
Trilo,
Yeah!
and Luna.
On the moon. That was great.
It's the hit show Dragon Tales.
I wish with all my heart to the fly with dragons in a land apart.
From Sony Pictures Entertainment and the creators of Sesame Street.
Come on, everybody!
Join Emmy, Max, and their dragon friends as they explore the magical world of Dragonland.
It's fun-tastic!
There's Cap's Beast
Oh, beast!
in a place at Johnson's classic, Harold and the Purple Crayon. These award-winning, educational, and fun-filled titles can be yours to watch again and again.
That would be great!
Own the excitement on VHS and DVD. See you soon.